What's up everybody, Carpool Nutrition here. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust your water temperature in your water heater. Let's dive into it. Alright, so what we're working on today is a Rheem Performance Plus model. If you get the higher model, you don't have to do this. You can do it on the face, but we're going to pop these covers off, and there's going to be a thermostat right in the bottom that we're going to adjust top and bottom. Get both elements adjusted to the desired temperature of your water. That way you can have a nice hot shower. So let's get into it. Before you get started, make sure you shut the power off to the unit, whether it's at the disconnect by the unit or at the breaker. 2 Phillips is going to pop this cover off. You got some foam in here you're going to have to take out. And then once you take that foam out, behind this little cover is where you're going to have your control. Alright, so that's what we're looking for right here. You can see there's a line for 125. You don't really want to go past that. It's kind of hot. But we're going to go to it. So right now we're about, I don't know, 110-ish. So we're going to go up to 125. And then we're going to do the same thing for the top. We're going to get the top adjusted. That way both elements are working in synchronization. And yeah, we're going to get some hot water out of this thing. Alright, so all you need is a flathead. And we're going to just adjust that up to the 125 mark. Just make sure you're there. We're there. Now let's do the top. Alright, so same thing up top as you did down below. We're going to take these screws out. Whoa. That's one. That's 2. If you have a base model, you're not going to have anything on this cover here, so you're not going to have to worry about these wires. And then we are right there. So we're going to adjust that up to 125. We're going to put the foam back, close up the panels, turn the breaker back on, and we're going to have some hotter water. Alright, that's it. This will work for most electric water heaters. Easiest way to tell if it won't work is if you pull these covers off and you don't see that thermostat adjustment dial. So good luck. If you're having not as hot water as you'd like, try these steps and hopefully it helps. And I'll catch you guys next time.